I love construction marketing, not just because of having worked with like stair builders, building supply companies, small local contractors, massive metropolitan contractors. I've enjoyed working with all of them, but the reason I love doing construction marketing is because I actually did construction. It's what kept me out of debt and not having to take a loan out for college, working at a company locally in School County called Pioneer Pole Building. After I was done with them, I worked for a local diamond construction, they were called, just a small local contractor. And that's where I got to learn really the fine details of putting in windows, doing kitchen and bathroom models. And then after that, I shifted completely different and worked with this one company where we put in like everything from putting in sewer lines and doing mass excavation to building houses. And that's what paid for school. And I was able to get an amazing experience with construction while I was going to college. And what I found is I love working with contractors because we're direct. We call a spade a spade. We know when we like something, we know when we don't like something. And working in marketing, I really enjoy it because I won't try to baffle you with BS, as my dad likes to say. I will really talk to you about what we're doing, why we're doing it, and how it's going to grow your business and get you leads. And with contractors, with construction businesses, we do search engine optimization, pay-per-click ads, email marketing, social media marketing. We do a wide range because with construction, what you do is you create something that's very visual, that's visually pleasing. Hopefully, it's visually pleasing and better looking than what was there before. And and because of that, I really love working with local contractors and different businesses within construction. I'd love to talk to you, get to know you, see if we're a good fit to work together. Contact us, and I'd love to help build that. Build your website, build your marketing, and build your online presence.